Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be talking about blending tools that I have. You are probably familiar with these two from Rangers. It's the round mini blending tool and a rectangular mini blending tool, which I have been using to make all of my videos so far. I mentioned in the earlier video that I posted last month that I had been out of stamp crafts for about a year, and I only just got back to it. So I've discovered this new item, let me show you, called blender brushes. I got these, a pack of 5 from Amazon. Let me pull these plastic bags off because they're giving a little bit of unpleasant reflection. I must apologize, I seem to be fighting off a cold, so I'm a little clogged and congested right now, and there may be some coughing involved. So these set of 5 came in multiple sizes, but this was $9.95 for these, so it was the least expensive of the blender brush options, and I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. So I thought, you know what, $10, it can't hurt anything to try it. But these are pretty sturdy, and the bristles of the brushes are very fine and extremely soft, and this will allow you to get a really nice blending on your paper. I tested it out a couple of times and I really liked how it performed, but my only complaint that I had was it was difficult for me to see if the bristles were clean because they are brown at the tip. But I thought that's not going to be a problem. I know if I've used it or not. But I liked it so much that I went ahead and I invested a little bit more money in the Tailored Expressions blender brushes. And it comes, there's a caddy available, and these are color coded. And these bristles are all white. You probably noticed that immediately without me saying it. So you can use one brush for each of the different color families, and they don't need to be cleaned between uses, and it's easier for me to be able to see which color I'm using. So like if I'm using the Chipped Sapphire or the Blueprint Sketch, I would choose this one because those are in the blue families. Or if I wanted the Peacock Feathers and the Broken China or Tumble Glass, I would use this one because that's that family. And it's pretty self-explanatory. It turns, and it's not too heavy, and this little piece cost $17, I think, and the brushes were a little bit more expensive. I think it was $47 for the set of 10. So I wanted to be really sure before I went and invested that much money in a blender brush. But I think I'm going to like it a lot, and we'll see as the videos progress. But I wanted to do a quick sample with the 2 different types so that you could see the blending difference. So this is just your standard mini ink blending tool, which I'm trying to get this open. So let me bring in a piece of paper. Oh, no, not a piece of paper. Let me back up and show you something else that I purchased. Move all this aside for just a second. I purchased this. This is going to change the lighting. I'm so sorry, but I can't help it. I purchased this water media mat, which is supposed to be very good for blending and working with watercolors. It's this silicone mat, and it's flexible, as you can see. And let me take it off the backing. Move this aside. My work area is such a mess right now. I'm so sorry to be a little scatterbrained. So as I said, it's very flexible. It's made out of silicone, and supposedly it will allow you to get a lot of easy blending without wasting materials. And the cardstock, when you put it down, it doesn't stick. This is not sticky, I meant to say. This is not sticky, but the cardstock won't budge when you put it down, so you can blend without the cardstock slipping all over the place, and you won't have to hold it and get your fingers all dirty. So let me show you the blending with the Ranger tool, and we'll see how much this stays put. So you start off the paper and bring it in, standard blending, in little circles, but not too much pressure. And this is the blending that I'm getting. You can see the blue is coming in. Now I'm going to switch out and use the blender brush. I'm going to turn this around. See, there's the ink picking up and starting off. And yeah, it's not moving. It's staying put. And you just need to give this a little pressure. Oops, I moved it. Sorry, after I said that. I'm going to just hold it. And you get a lighter blending with the blender brush than I did with the Ranger tool. That's one thing I noticed immediately. And according to Jennifer McGuire, I should be able to just pick up this ink onto my brush. Well, look at that, it does work. So I don't have too much waste of the material as if you were doing this on a piece of copy paper, for example. So yeah, that does work. Looks like I picked up something there. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's a nice blend. It's a little softer, so it's really easy. Let me grab another color and do some blending on that. Let me flip this over. It's probably not going to stick anymore since it has ink on it now. So let's start off with the peacock feathers. I should probably put this ink a little bit more stable. Well, yeah, I can still get a darker color with it. You just have to apply a little bit more pressure. Okay. Now bring in picked raspberry. Yep, it's a bright color, so you see that a lot easier. Yeah, it blends really nicely. Yeah, I think this is a win. I think I'm going to enjoy using this. If you purchase these, I'm not saying go out and spend $47 for that, but this $10 one is very affordable. If you do purchase it, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this item versus these Ranger tools. See if you like them. I think I'm going to like them. I like that blending. Okay, yeah. And this is supposed to be really easy cleanup. Let me move this. Let's grab a paper towel and see. I need some moisture. One moment. Yeah, wipes right up and doesn't stain. Okay, so this is the Waffle Flower Media mat. And this is the Tailored Expressions ink blending brushes. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. I think I'm going to like these. I'm going to do a video later on showing more ink blending and some masking, and I'm going to be testing these out for the first time on actual card making, and we'll see how it goes. Let me move this out of the way because it's changing the color. There we go, the lighting's better. So that's my video today, very short, just showing you the new blending tools that I got, the Tailored Expressions blending brushes, and these are really, really soft, and makes blending really, really easy. I think you'll like these if you get them, but if you don't want to spend that much money, this is fine too. And this little one you'll be able to get into smaller areas. Let's test that. See what kind of blending we get from this smaller one. Turn it back over. Yeah, it works just as fine as its big brother. Nice smooth blend. Okay, so that's my video today. I'd like to thank you for watching all of my videos. Please hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone and have a great day.